Hello. Right, this is the promised direct comparison between the rebuilt and drastically modified cheap mic that's now a true condenser type with my own design board in it, and my best commercial condenser mic, which is an MXL V87. I've got them on an arm which is just about giving up under the weight, having two of them attached. It's the best way I can set them up so they're near parallel. They're connected to the little Focusrite interface as usual, and that in turn is running off the Toughbook. Now, unfortunately the fan on that does just kick in occasionally with the amount of work it's doing, but it's not too bad, so it shouldn't affect the comparisons much. Anything that's picked up should be on both mics. Right, so I'm also going to put the phone then at the side of these two, so the microphone on that is a similar place, and try some different sound sources. There'll be a lot of segments cut out as I'm changing sounds because I don't want to lose sync between all the different devices once it's set up. Yeah, oh, by the way, that's my audio workstation, if you like, the music PC, and control panel, and various input sources, and there's all sorts of other stuff behind me, everything, drums, guitars, keyboard, whatever. Anyway, that's for another thing. So I'll put this in its stand, which is just on top of it's an adapter on top of a camera tripod. The main concept is checking noise level, sensitivity, and both low and high frequency response. I think the voice should hopefully be reasonable for low frequency and general response. The cymbal test should give a good high frequency indication, and simply the position of the controls on the Focusrite should give a gain comparison with them set equal. In the left channel, the black marked cable is on the modified mic. The right channel with the grey marked cable is on the V87. If I stay silent when the fan's off on the machine, that should give a background noise level. And the cymbal should give what I've got here should give a high frequency indication, because I've actually got plenty of harmonics in it. It's a crude, simple comparison, but hopefully it's got the basics it needs to give noise and frequency comparisons. So I can run a frequency plot on those and see how they perform. Okay. Hope that's if anyone's got any suggestions for better simple comparisons that we do without any special equipment, then I'd be interested to hear it. Please add them in the comments. Other than that, hope it's of interest, and thanks for watching, and please hit like if you like this type of thing. Okay, thanks, bye.